Hey you all, so my name is Mocahontas and today I'll be showing you how to make a frontal unit using a sewing machine. And I will be using my Moca Blonde from my hair collection, the Mocahontas Collection. So stay tuned. So since I'm using Moca Blonde hair from my hair collection, the Mocahontas Collection, I will also be using this new dome cap to make my unit, and some new thread that also will match the color so you won't have the weird different colors in your wig. It should just all look flawless. So let's begin. Okay, so I went ahead and pinned down my cap on my mannequin head, and since my head circumference is a 21 inch, I'll be using the 21 mannequin head. Alright, cool. So I went ahead and pinned down my frontal on my dome cap, and you see I have the hairline pushed up a little bit below the dome cap. And the back part is like a line, like a straight line. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna take a metallic Sharpie, or you can literally use whatever that can show up on the dome cap that you can see. This shows best on my blonde dome cap. And now I'm just gonna trace the outline of this frontal, so bear with me. Alright, so I went ahead and traced this back part right here, and now I can go ahead and take this frontal off because now I don't even need it until the end, so stay tuned. So now that we got the frontal out the way, we're going to continue to trace lines of where you want your tracks to be placed on your dome cap. This is the whole point of this method, and I'm going to start from the back, the nape of my neck. And I'm gonna take that bad boy, I'm gonna draw a nice little line. This marker dry, I gotta get a new marker. Okay, hold on. Alright, I'm back. So I got a new marker. It's up for the test, and like I said, I'm gonna take that marker and I'm gonna draw the lines where I want my tracks to be placed. I'm gonna start it back here, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue. This marker dry too. Alright, we got marker number 3, and this better work. Alright, we in business. We in business. Yes. Alright. I'm just, making sure they're far apart. Not too close, not too far though. Because you don't want your tracks to be all lumpy and bumpy. And then you gotta take that apart because you don't want to be selling wigs that ain't right. I mean, that's not what I got in me. I like to make sure all my units are perfect. So this is how I want my tracks to be placed on the dome cap. Go ahead and close this bad boy up because I can't afford no more dry Sharpies. So now, and you see how I came up to the top, I want to make sure the tracks will be curved up here, because when you have the tracks going like straight across the frontal, there's just no movement. It's just gonna be stiff, and this track is literally gonna be sticking up. Trust me, I tried it before and I learned from my mistakes. So now we can take this bad boy up off of the mannequin head, and this is how it looks. And now we're about to start sewing. It's literally my favorite part. I think it's therapeutic. So if you got anger management issues like me sometimes, just go ahead and start sewing and make a business out of it. And start sewing on our dome cap, and I'm so excited. So now that we have sewn our tracks on, we're gonna go ahead and put the dome cap back on the mannequin head. And then we're gonna go ahead and take our frontal and pin it back on this bad boy. Alright y'all, so now that homegirl is pinned down, we're gonna manually sew down the frontal onto the dome cap. So now that our frontal is sewn on, now we're gonna go back over it with the sewing machine to make sure that it's secure. That's what I like to do, so stay tuned. So here is your wig inside of it, and now the next step will be to cut this part off. So just take your scissors and begin to cut. And now we're gonna cut all these extra strings out, and then you have a wig. There you go. This is how my frontal wig unit turned out. She's beautiful. I just can't wait to like wash her, put some layers in her, just style her, and I will be posting a video of that. Thank you guys for watching my video, how I made a frontal unit with my sewing machine. I will be posting more videos, so please subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on Instagram at Mocahontas_. Oh, and if you would like to purchase the blonde or any bundles, yeah, this is also hair from my collection. You can purchase at www.themocahontascollection.com. So thank you again for watching, and bye guys.